Hello everyone. The question that is going around in the social media platforms is whether the judiciary system is captured or not. Today, the Electoral Court in Bloemfontein was expected to hand over the judgment of the ANC versus MK Party, but unfortunately it has been delayed. The Electoral Court announced that a delay in the delivery of its judgment concerning whether the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party is eligible to participate in the election scheduled for May 29. The court was anticipated to issue its verdict today at 11 a.m. The ANC is litigating to have the registration of the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party with Independent Electoral Commission declared unlawful. There's also an email circulating online from the Supreme Court of Appeal Electoral Court of South Africa, and it said, kindly note that there are changes effected regarding the delivery of the judgment, as it will no longer be handed down today at 11 a.m. I will communicate further details with you very soon, as we are still finalizing some details. People on the X app think that there's something fishy here. Others are alleging that the ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula and Ramaphosa are threatening judges. Someone said the loud-mouthed Fikile Mbalula met with the judges to discuss IEC versus ANC case outcome. Someone also said judgment on the ANC versus IEC has been delayed. This effectively compromises the integrity of court. The fact that Mbalula yesterday sent strong signals that he already knew the outcome undermined the integrity of the court and its judgment. There's also rumors that the ANC won the case against IEC. Someone tweeted, breaking: the rock informants at the Electoral Court have briefed through an SMS Fikile Mbalula that the ANC won its case against the IEC. The court will order the IEC tomorrow to deregister 5 political parties, including Umkhonto we Sizwe Party. Someone also tweeted, one thing we need to agree on as South Africans is that our judiciary is not independent. Fikile Mbalula already prepared for a press conference and stated at the time of the conference, only a person who knew. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.